In this video we're going to show you how to build a sloping hive stand, and the hive stand elevates your hive off the ground, and it's got a landing porch as well on it so that your bees can take off and land, and it's very durable because it's made out of cedar, and it's very stable, and it adds that little touch of class to the look of your hive. In the pack that you get for your National Sloping Hive Stand, you'll find a pack of nails. Secondly, you'll see 2 joists with a bevel on the end of them. The next thing you'll find is another joist which fits along the back, and last but not least you'll find what we call a bevel board, which is basically where the bees take off and land, and it fits on the front of your hive stand. The first thing to do when you get your pack is you need to take one of the joists. We've got the left hand side joist. Now the glue we sell separately in our shop at Thorne, and very important you get it right into the corner of this rebate, because that's where glue often gets missed and it makes it stronger if it's in the corner. You take your back joist and you basically marry the two together. Right. The next piece is tricky. It's very important that you get the bottoms of both of these joists level, but once done you can take one of your 1.5 inch lost head nails, force it into the wood. Some people actually put the nails in, just tap them in before. I just favour forcing them in, and then it's just quick tap, and that's now flush, and that will hold that while you put the other nails in. You put the other one a bit further from the top, and one in the middle. Once that one's done, you repeat the process on the other side. I'm going to show you how some people might find it easier to do this one. As you can see where the rebate is, put the nails and just tap them in before. Quite simply just tap it ever so slightly in. Then it means then all you've got to do is turn it over and apply the glue into the rebate like you did the first one. This means it's a lot easier for you to do. It means you don't have to concentrate on holding it, nailing it and getting it level all at the same time. And you place that one, this side joist, onto there like so, making sure it's level at the bottom again, and then you just tap your nails in. We're just going to punch these in, which is quite a simple knock. Obviously you don't want to do it too hard because your nails will go straight through then and won't hold it on. Now that's been finished, you need to lay it down, and then you need to take your bevel board. Some people will call it a lighting board, and quite simply that fits there. But before we do that, you can put glue straight onto it and then put your nails on there. I'm going to actually put the nails on first because it is actually a lot easier. You want to be about 1 inch down and about 10mm or 1/4 inch inside, and you've got to angle it very slightly and just tap it in. Now there's actually 4 of these nails to go in, so you do the same on the opposing side, similar angle, and then the next 2 you put another 1 inch just between these 2, and you basically do it again. Repeat the process again, and again on this side. What I tend to do is I tend to drive them in a little bit further now, just to make it a bit easier when I actually put it on. And then you're ready to put the glue on, and then position this and nail it. Put your glue just on that bevel. You do the same on the other side as well. Now it's very important when you put the front board on, or the bevel board, that you get the bevels the right way around. For instance, this bevel, which is the biggest of the two, goes at the bottom, and the short one goes at the top. So when you place it like so. You ready to start putting your nails in then? Just position that, make sure it's nice and flush with the edge. And nail these two as well. And again, if you wish to punch them in, you can do. Then you get your 2-inch lost head nails again. You put it about 2 inches from the bottom. Just tap it in. Maybe just pull that out a little bit so it's still flush, and then you drive it in again. And just give it a quick punch. Nice and flush. And again, another quick punch. And that is your completed National Sloping Hive Stand.